So tonight I'm going to the Firework Championships, which is something that happens annually in Plymouth. It's basically a whole load of teams show off their fireworks and basically compete. It happens over 2 nights in Plymouth every year. I haven't actually been in 2 years because obviously last year I was living in Bristol, and this will probably be my last chance to go because obviously I'm moving back to Bristol. Normally I only go 1 night, but this year I'm actually going to go both because it's not the same both nights, it is different fireworks. So tonight I'm meeting up with my uni friend Hannah, and of course I'm meeting up with Kirsty as well, and then tomorrow I should be heading down with Josh to go see them. We're with Hannah now. Kirsty's unfortunately had to cancel on us, and Hannah was just saying about how she was barely in my MTV video, so there you go. Is there anything you'd like to say to my audience of 2 people? Hi. So we're just about some donuts and now we're just chilling, waiting for the fireworks because we're just both 2 big wimps to go on all the rides, and stingy as well because, you know, yeah, we're just broke.